Yeah, baby, you got that filet mignon sizzling on the stove with the cast iron. What we do is we sear it in butter and garlic. First, we season it with salt and garlic powder. Chop up some garlic, put butter in the pan, sear it on all sides. We got this thing preheated to 415. And when it gets to 415, you cook this thing for about 10-12 minutes. Put some melted, maybe slit it a little bit, put some butter in there, let the butter melt in, top it with some garlic before you bake it. Baby, there is nothing better than the cast iron, baby. The filet. Oh man. Oh, look at that sizzle. So we take it off the burner now, we let it just sit. We make our little slits so we can add our butter in before baking. Now what I like to do is, I like to add some salt. Then I add either a little bit of garlic and then the butter, and a little more garlic on top, and then you have your thing ready to bake. And it is perfect. So to clarify, we put the butter, we got garlic underneath the butter and on top of the butter. Got it cooking in the cast iron. We close her up. We start our timer at 12 minutes. And we wait, baby. Yeah, we got a minute left. Minute 20. My mouth is watering. This shit is fucking simmering in there. Oh yeah. Got my butter ready.
Here it is. Got the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, all right, stop that timer. Open her up. Oh my McGillicuddy. Ooh. Let's go. We took the juice from the pan and poured it over the top, and you're ready to eat, folks. I mean, we have the perfect steak right here. Those garlics are just charred enough too. It's gonna be good. And I gotta say, I am ready. I'm gonna salt her up one more time. We use a lot of that. As you can see, I took the excess juice from the plate, made some steak sauce for myself, for dip. Now what we do is we slice her up. It's perfect redness. It's unreal. It's pink, but still dead. This baby ain't gonna move off the table. Gonna slice her up like so. Ooh. Believe me, it's hard to cut this whole thing up instead of just freaking devouring piece by piece. But just for the show, I want to show you what that is. What I like to do is I like to take a little bit of the juice, put it over the freshly cut. This baby's ready to go. Oh, perfect. That, my friends, is how you make the perfect steak.